Honorable Speaker of Parliament, the Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Ministers and Assistant Ministers, Honorable Leader of Opposition, Honorable Members of Parliament, ladies and gentlemen, and all those joining us live on Parliament's Facebook channel. Honorable Speaker, I would also like to acknowledge the members of the Retired Fijian Teachers Association that are seated in the gallery this morning. Honorable Speaker, I rise to deliver a statement on recent accomplishments and developments in Fiji's offshore fisheries sector. Honorable Speaker, whilst there have been substantial achievements across the ministry, I would like to touch on the accomplishments of the offshore fisheries sector. Honorable Speaker, when speaking about Fiji or the region's shared tuna stocks, it is important to understand the challenges that comes with managing tuna stocks. The sheer size of the ocean we manage makes it challenging to enforce laws and monitor fishing activities. Honorable Speaker, this leads to the risk of illegal, unreported, and unregulated or IUU fishing that undermines the conservation efforts and poses a threat to the sustainability of tuna stocks. Honorable Speaker, with this in mind, the Minister of Fisheries last year, through the Country Partnership Agreement with the Pacific Islands Forum Fisheries Agency, worked to improve Fiji's ability to monitor the movement of fishing vessels within our waters through the installation of Fiji Fisheries' first ever Fiji Fisheries Surveillance and Operations Center. Honorable Speaker, this was made possible through the funding under the EU Programme for Environment and Urban Mobility, or Pacific European Union Marine Partnership Programme, or PUMP. Honorable Speaker, with the launch and use of this new center, we are on a transformative journey to enhance Fiji's tuna fisheries management through cutting-edge technology. The introduction of advanced vessel tracking and vessel monitoring system, coupled with our ability to access satellite imagery, will revolutionize how we monitor and manage fishing activities across the Western and Central Pacific Ocean and within our own Fiji fisheries waters. As we all know, IUU fishing poses a significant threat to our marine ecosystems, the livelihoods of our fishing communities, and the sustainability of our fisheries. With the implementation of these modern tools, we aim to address these pressing issues head-on. Honorable Speaker, our vision is clear: to improve and heighten the skills of our monitoring, control, and surveillance practitioners by utilizing existing vessel monitoring tools. This will not only enhance our capacity to combat IUU fishing, but it will ensure that our tuna fisheries are managed sustainably for generations to come. Honorable Speaker, the Fiji Fisheries Surveillance and Operations Center will serve as a hub of information and coordination, complementing existing platforms such as the Fiji Navy, the Forum Fisheries Agency Regional Surveillance Picture, and the Western Central Pacific Fisheries Commission system. Through collaboration, Honorable Speaker, we will create a comprehensive and cohesive approach to fisheries management that leaves no stone unturned. Honorable Speaker, the opportunities that lie ahead of us are truly endless. By leveraging technology and fostering collaboration among partners and stakeholders, we can create a safer, more sustainable fishing environment that supports our economy and protects our marine biodiversity. Honorable Speaker, this can only be achieved through partnership and collaboration to ensure our fisheries remain vibrant and resilient, not just for today, but for future generations. On the other hand, Honorable Speaker, while we continue to progress to effectively monitor vessel activities within our waters and beyond, it is important that we ensure that the lives of crew on board fishing vessels are well looked after. As a nation deeply connected to our ocean and its resources, we recognize that our fishing industry is not just a means of economic sustenance, it is a vital part of our cultural heritage and identity. Honorable Speaker, the ocean has long been a source of nourishment, community, and tradition for our people. However, with great privilege comes great responsibility. It is our duty to ensure that our fishing practices are sustainable, that they respect the rights of our workers, and that they contribute positively to the social and economic growth of our nation. Honorable Speaker, with that said, the Ministry of Fisheries last week launched the National Offshore Fishing Crew Policy of 2025 to 2028. The launch of this policy marks a critical step in our commitment to promoting safe and fair employment conditions in accordance with international and regional standards. Honorable Speaker, it is imperative that we ensure that every Fijian fisher, every officer on our fishing vessels is treated with dignity and respect. This policy will serve as a framework for vessel owners and operators to align their practices with Fiji's relevant labor and crewing laws, as well as the international obligations that we as a proud nation are committed to uphold. Honorable Speaker, our focus action areas are designed to create a comprehensive and coherent approach to achieving these objectives. Under work agreements, we will establish clear, fair and transparent work agreements that protect the rights and welfare of our fishers. Every individual should have a clear understanding of their roles, responsibilities, and rights within the fishing industry. Under governance, strong governance is key to our success. We will ensure that our regulatory frameworks are robust and that they foster accountability among vessel owners and operators. We must work together to create an environment where compliance is the norm, not the exception. Under recruitment practices, we commit to promoting ethical recruitment practices that prioritize the well-being of our fishers. No longer will we allow exploitation or unfair treatment to tarnish our industry. We will work to ensure recruitment is fair, transparent, and inclusive. Under training, investing in our people is paramount. We will enhance training programs that equip our fishers with the skills and knowledge they need to thrive in a competitive market while adhering to safety and sustainability standards. A well-trained workforce is a backbone of a successful fishing industry. Under awareness and outreach programs, education is the key to change. We will launch awareness and outreach programs that inform our fishers about their rights and responsibilities, as well as the importance of sustainable fishing practices. Knowledge is power, and we will empower our communities to make informed decisions. By focusing on these action areas, Honorable Speaker, we are not only supporting our fishers, but also affirming Fiji's position as a leader in regional and international standards for sustainable fisheries management. Honorable Speaker, the progress outlined today demonstrates the Ministry of Fisheries' unwavering commitment to safeguarding Fiji's valuable tuna stocks and resources through enhanced surveillance and to ensuring the dignity and rights of those who work within this vital sector. We look forward to continually and consistently build upon these achievements in the coming months for the continued prosperity of our nation and its people. Honorable Speaker, I thank you for the opportunity to speak. Naksaka.
I thank